Here I have Google Pixel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the accessibility section, and here you have TalkBack. You can enable it like this. After that, the TalkBack tutorial starts and it talks non-stop all the time.
Page 1 of 5. TalkBack is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen.
So it talks non-stop when you're in a TalkBack mode. If you want to perform any action, you first have to select it and then double tap it to confirm it. Yes, please close tutorial. How I can
Close tutorial, stay in tutorial button. Double tap.
Okay.
Close.
Oh, and right now I can close it.
TalkBack.
So if you want to disable it, tap here, then double tap it, and then the same with this OK button. And that's how you can disable TalkBack feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.